There is a faster way to build your data model using a tool called the Schema Builder. You can find the Schema Builder in the Build section in the Setup menu. You can pan and zoom the canvas. You can see all the standard objects like leads, accounts, contacts, and opportunities that are related to the Sales and Service Cloud applications. You can also create custom objects, fields, and relationships using this tool. In our recruiting application, we need an object to keep track of all the candidates that apply for different positions. Let's go ahead and create the candidate object. I can click on the object and drag it onto the canvas. Give the object a label and plural label as well. Each record would be identified by a number. I would call it a candidate number, and I would like this number to be auto-generated. The format would be C-00000, and every time the candidate record is created, an auto number would be generated and the count is incremented by 1. And I would also like to build reports in the future, and let's save this object. And now we can also create fields by dragging and dropping them onto the object. I would like to create a field called the first name. I can drag the field of data type text onto the object and give it a label, length of 20 characters, and save it. I went ahead and created all the other fields that are required for the candidate object, like the last name, phone number, address, and the social security number. I would like to make a small note here. Since we have used the Schema Builder to create the fields, don't be surprised if you cannot see the fields on the page layout. Actually, none of these fields are placed on the page layout. One has to go to the page layout editor and drag all these fields onto the layout. So do remember that if you happen to use the Schema Builder, you would have to manually place all the fields on the layout. I also need to create a custom tab and add it to the recruiting application. Now we have a UI to create and edit records in the candidate object. You can go ahead and work on assignment number 3. Try using the Schema Builder to create your candidate object.